Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most useful products for your home and kitchen. Today, we're going to talk about the Sweet Cookie Crumbs 3 Bears Cutter Set, the best bear sandwich cutter you'll ever find. If you love baking and creating fun treats for your family, this set is the perfect addition to your kitchen tools. The 3 Bears Cutter Set comes in a 3-piece set, each made from premium stainless steel. The sizes are perfect for a variety of projects, whether you're cutting cookies, fruit, fondant, or even sandwiches. The set includes 3 cutters, a large bear, a medium bear, and a small bear. The sizes range from 4.6 inches tall to 2.5 inches tall, so you can choose the perfect bear shape for whatever you're making. One of the standout features of this set is the high-quality stainless steel. Unlike cheaper tin-plated cutters that rust easily, these cutters are made from food-grade stainless steel that's durable and corrosion-resistant. This means they'll last you a lifetime and remain just as effective after countless uses. Plus, they're dishwasher-safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. No special care is needed, unlike other cookie cutters that can be difficult to clean or maintain. Sweet Cookie Crumbs takes pride in their family-owned business based in Missouri, where they've been creating quality products that help families make lasting memories. The cookie cutters are carefully crafted to ensure they provide a smooth, clean cut every time. Whether you're making cookies for a birthday party, preparing fruit shapes for a lunchbox, or cutting out fun sandwich shapes for the kids, these cutters will do the job beautifully. These cookie cutters aren't just for cookies. You can use them on a variety of foods. For example, try cutting your pancakes into fun bear shapes, or slice up some watermelon into adorable bear shapes. You can even use these cutters for crafting with kids, making paper cutouts or clay critters. The possibilities are endless with this versatile tool. Sweet Cookie Crumbs truly believes in creating products that are safe for your family, and that's why they only use the best materials in their cutters. The stainless steel ensures that no harmful chemicals are introduced to your food. These cutters are safe, reliable, and built to last. So, if you're looking for a fun, practical, and high-quality sandwich cutter that will bring joy to your family, the Sweet Cookie Crumbs 3 Bears Cutter Set is the one to get. It's not just a kitchen tool, it's a way to create special moments and memories with your loved ones. Make sure to check it out today, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations on the best products for your home and kitchen.